Ito, ang mga insane NBA moment.
Oh my goodness. Whoa. I don't know if I've ever seen this. Whoa! That's nuts. That's just crazy.
Simulan natin kay Zar Williams. Dahil habang paubos ang oras, wala siyang ibang pwedeng gawin kundi ihagis ang bola.
And we'll throw it the length of the court. And banked it in! And banked it in! It's a good three-point make by Zaire Williams.
79 feet at the buzzer. Talaga nga namang lucky shot. Pero mukhang hindi sinuwerte si Lola. Dahil habang nanonood ito ng laro, ay tumama sa kanya ang bola.
Nice ball handle through the defense. But it's going to be last touch by Henderson. Sacramento.
Ouch! Sakit nun. Pero mas masakit kapag inagawan ka ng bola na parang bata.
Robinson tapped it out to knock side. Rips it. Punches it home.
Hype na hype si Zion. Pero mas hype si Morant. Lalo na pagkatapos ng play na to.
Bench still standing. Adams going long. Morant!
Swak na swak yung tira. Pero mas swak ang tirang ito ni Paul Pierce sa referee.
Draws the foul. Oh, they wave it off. And say there's no continuation.
Foul dapat yun, ref. Sakit nun. Pero mas masakit ang ginawa ni Jason Tatum kay Trae Young. Dahil parehong one shot na lang ang kailangan nila nang mangyari ito.
Tatum going a little bit now. Yeah, but this is it. This is the one Tatum.
Medyo sinuwerte si Tatum. Pero pahiya naman ang inabot ng Sixers nang subukan nilang tumira sa harap ng 7'2" na si Dikembe Mutombo.
For the Sixers as Clarence tries to jam his way. Again against Mutombo and Dikembe says no. Clarence and Mutombo says no. Mutombo shaking his finger. Yes.
Binutata sila ni Mutombo ng 4 na beses sa loob ng 10 seconds. Grabe. Pero mas grabe ang panghihinayang ko sa sanang game winner na ito ni Brandon Knight.
Johnson throws it, intercepted. Knight, 2 seconds, 1 second. Oh, he missed it at the horn.
Never seen anything like that.
Sayang, easy layup na sana. Pero easy dunk naman ang ginawa ng dalawang player ng Hawks.
Over to Jeremy Lin, up top, Dedmon, he flushes it, and Anderson's right there too. Who's going to get the basket?
I think both of those guys dunked it.
Dalawa silang dumakdak sa bola. 4 points dapat yun. Lucky bounce naman. Ang tirang ito ni Hill mula sa half court.
On a tough shot, Dill, half court. Oh, it went down. They scored. It hit off the top of the backboard and went in.
Medyo swerte nga yung tirang yun. Pero ang tirang ito mula kay Sprewell ay medyo kakaiba. Tumira ba naman ito nang nakaupo?
Loses the ball to McGetty. It's on the floor. Sprewell gets it back. He shoots the Cedar back and scores. Cedar at the free throw line.
Medyo unexpected yung move. Pero mas unexpected ang dunk na ito mula kay Giannis.
Trailing the lob.
Giannis Antetokounmpo over Chris Middleton.
Napasobra sa talon si Giannis. Pero tila nagkulang naman sa release itong si Anthony.
Otto Porter just picked up his first wide open inside is Carmelo Anthony.
Yan ang pinakabitin na tirang nakita ko. Pero ito naman, ang pinakasobrang pasang nakita ko.
Schofield. Oh! Cross it into the 7th row.
Nasobrahan sa balibag ng bola. Hindi gaya ng balibag na ginawa ni Andre Miller.
Slapped away, and it's going to be a 24-second violation on the Cavaliers. Oh! Miller threw that in the hole! Do you believe it?
Lumingon sabay tira. Kagaya na lang ng tirang ito mula kay Murdoch.
Murdoch throws it up, and it goes in! Threw it up in the air from behind the glass, and it went in!
Pero iba naman ang ginawa ni Russell Westbrook dahil sa laban kontra Warriors. Sinubukan niyang dumakdak nang mangyari ito.
Oh, and it goes in!
Nasa panig talaga ni Westbrook yung swerte. Pero mukhang hindi ito pumanig sa Wizards dahil up by 3 points sila sa last 3 seconds ng laro. at na-steal pa nila ang bola. Pero ganito ang nangyari.
And the play continues. Peterson got it. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. We're going into overtime and a Hail Mary 3 by Mo Pete.
At sa ating susunod na moment, pag-usapan natin ang incredible performance ni Luka Doncic dahil noong 2022, gumawa ng history itong si Luka nang magtala ito ng 60 points, 21 rebounds at naka-triple-double pa. At ang nakakabaliw pa ay nagawa niya ito sa isang epic comeback win nang maipasok niya ang tirang ito.
Shocks me about this game.
And that Drew rim, it's still loose. Luka got it back. He did it. An improbable comeback by Dallas to tie it with 1 second left. It's unbelievable. It is a miracle. It's overtime. Stranger things have happened.
Kapag talaga crucial, maaasahan mo itong si Luka. Pero ang ginawa ni Westbrook ay mas worth it dahil sa laban nila kontra Nuggets, nabura ni Westbrook ang record sa most triple-double in a season. At kung ang record na yan ay nakakamangha na, mas mamamangha ka kung paano niya tinapos ang laro.
Back to Rush. Deep shot. What a perfect ending to a historic day.
Literal na historic at perfect ending